Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix this red bar error and or missing file error on Final Cut Pro. I'll make this short and sweet for you, so let's go. Sometimes this happens with Final Cut Pro. It's been an issue for a while. I found out how to permanently fix this issue. If you have the same issue where you're editing your video and you go to export and then halfway through the export this red bar comes on. And you have to, stop exporting, you have to relink the file, you have to do all that stuff. I found out how to fix it for forever, essentially. So first I'll show you the quick fix, and then I'll show you the permanent fix, essentially. So quick fix, because you're going to have to do this no matter what, is if you go to your Finder, if you find the same file, so this is video 152326, blah, 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 I don't have this exact file anymore, and I'll kind of explain why at the end when I show you the permanent fix. But if you find that same file, and again, this is not the same file, so this is probably not going to work. If you find that same file and then drag it back onto your timeline, it will automatically sync with each other on here. And then that pretty much solves that. Sometimes it takes a couple drags to do it, but it should repopulate. Again, mine's not going to do it because mine is not the correct file because I accidentally deleted it. Okay, so permanent fix is if you're working on an external hard drive like I was. I have a lacy rugged SSD drive. If you have one of those and you're working off of it like I do, you need to check, let's go to disk utility, you need to check what format your drive is in. If your drive is in exFAT, EXFAT, and obviously you're using macOS and you're not going to be using this hard drive on a PC, change it immediately. I found out this is why this is happening. So I never converted my SSD from exFAT to what's it called? APFS, which is Apple's I don't know the exact terminology, but it's Apple's system essentially for this their volume. Change it to that immediately, especially if you do not use a Windows device with your hard drive, because Windows you can't. exFAT allows you to use it on macOS and also PC. But if you just use it on macOS, change it immediately, and that will solve your issues forever. You won't get this error anymore. Just found this out today. I've been having this issue for like a year now. I kind of just lived with it. I finally got fed up today and just researched it, and that was what I did. So figure this might help some people. If you did enjoy, please leave a like, subscribe. I'm going to start doing more tutorials on just anything. I'm a graphic designer and web designer, so Photoshop, Illustrator, Framer, you name it, I'll start making some tutorials on it. And I'm going to be doing a kind of quick, fast tutorial straight to the point so I don't waste your time. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Have a good one.